Hi, my name is Matthew. I am a founder and producer in the video game industry, and I give bench accounting 5 out of 5 stars. Prior to using Bench, I considered a few other alternatives. Mostly, I was using Google Sheets and Excel sheets to manage my money. I also dabbled in QuickBooks and looked at Zero, but I ended up settling on Bench because I liked the ability to have other people helping check my work. I ended up choosing Bench for a few reasons. It was really nice to have professional accountants be able to look over my books and go over them with me, as well as have a back end where I can submit my different accounts and have them classify the different transactions and then go over them with me together. That was really helpful and made the entire accounting process feel a lot less intimidating and stressful. Similar processes would have cost a lot of money for like a private CPA, and it was really nice to have Bench be able to help me do this stuff on a one-to-one basis with all the consulting and accounting at a price that was significantly less than hiring a local CPA firm. Integrating with Bench was actually pretty easy. I just connected my different bank accounts, PayPal, Chase, things like that, and they did an initial trial month with me to show me how the process worked, how transactions were categorized. It was all pretty simple, and the connections to the bank accounts was very easy to do. I uploaded a few of my other documents, like loan documents, and they showed me how the process worked. It all made sense. It was all very clear, and it made it easy for me to decide that, yes, I wanted to end up purchasing an annual package with them. When I first started my business, I actually considered Bench and decided not to go with them because I thought it would be better to just save the money, do it myself, and find a low cost bookkeeper. I ended up re engaging with Bench and having had them redo multiple years of my books because the people who I had worked with didn't understand my business. And I ended up paying tens of thousands of dollars or more in taxes because of that. Once I worked with Bench, although the cost was a little bit more than just a cheap bookkeeper locally, they were able to really help me understand the money was going, where I was double paying on things because I was doing different draws in and out of the business. I didn't know what I was doing when I first started a business. I just knew how to run my business. I didn't understand the bookkeeping side of it. Working with Bench was extremely valuable and ended up paying for itself multiple times over just because of the fact that they were able to show me where my money was going, how it was being spent, and I was able to redo multiple years of my taxes in a more accurate way and saving me the money I spent on the software and the service. So um, I honestly had wished that I had just spent the money initially and not been cheap initially because having good books is essential for a good business. It's like understanding your pulse. It is your business's lifeblood, and having professionals who can look over it and look at where things might be anomalies or where things may be incorrect or odd, and ask those hard questions is more valuable than it pays for itself almost instantaneously. And so I wish I had just bit the bullet and tried it initially, despite the fact that at the time I was a little cash strapped. It would have saved me a lot of money if I had just gone with pension in the first place.